Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove your card from Apple Pay on Apple Watch Series 11. To do it, you should simply go to the Apple Watch app, then of course on your iPhone, and then go to Wallet and Apple Pay. Go in there. Then if you'd like to remove the card from here, click on the card that you'd like to remove and scroll down until you find remove card. Then click on remove and wait a moment. Now it is removed. It still stays on your phone, but it's hidden. It's not available on your Apple Watch anymore. If you'd like to remove it from your iPhone, you would actually need to go to Wallet app. So let me quickly find it. And now click on the card, click on three dots in the right corner, credit details, card details, sorry, remove card, remove. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.